Let us test this voltmeter. Before testing this voltmeter, let us understand this voltmeter also to some extent. See here, where there is V written, if there is a V written, means it is a voltmeter, and under that V there is a straight line. If there is a straight line, it means that that voltmeter will measure DC voltage. See, you can identify like this, or under V you can find like this also. This is a voltmeter which measures AC voltage. This is a voltmeter which measures DC voltage. Okay, na? In the same way, ammeter also you can see. Ammeter also you can see. You can observe two types of ammeters. A is there. If there is A, it means it is ammeter. Under A, there is a straight line. Straight line means it measures DC current. Under A, if it is a curved line present there like this, it means that it measures AC current, alternating current it measures, and if there is a straight line, it measures the DC current. Okay, so now let us find this voltmeter, whether it is showing correctly or not. Okay, now let us take a cell. See, I have taken a cell. What is this? How much voltage this cell is giving? See, you can see neatly. It is showing that it is going to give 1.5 volts only, correct? So if I connect this cell to this voltmeter, it have to show 1.5 volts only, correct? Let us see now. Right, I have taken this cell into a cell holder. This is a cell holder. We cannot connect this cell directly to this voltmeter, right? So we have a cell holder. I placed here. Okay, positive should be connected to positive, negative should be connected to negative. Okay, so we can connect like this, or it is 1.5 volts only, right? So we can directly keep also, no problem, very less voltage level. So let us keep like this. See, in front of you only I am showing. I will remove this wire first. I have removed that wire, and I am going to keep negative first inside. First we'll connect negative terminal. And now we'll connect the positive terminal. See, can you see the reading there? It is 1.5 volts. From here to here it is 2 volts. In between at the center 1, and in between that it is approximately 1.5 volts. Now let us connect to one more cell. This cell let us connect. See, this cell, this will give a maximum voltage of 9 volts, correct? It is going to give 9 volts to us. Let us try to connect this one and see once. There is a key for this one to connect. Okay, positive should be connected to positive, negative to negative. Some voltmeters will be there. Those voltmeters, they will give a small hole here. Where there is present here they will give a small hole. You can observe, if there is a small hole present, you can insert these small wires into that small hole, and then it will be fixed. But for this company, it did not give small holes, so we have to connect manually. I connected positive terminal, and now I am going to connect the negative terminal. See? Okay, 1 second. See the reading. Around 9.5 volts. Correct? So this battery, how much voltage it have to give? It have to give 9 volts. It is giving around 9.2, 9.5 volts. So this voltmeter is working perfectly. Now we can remove this connections. And now we also know that the resistance of voltmeter will be very high and the resistance of ammeter will be very less. Let us verify that now. To verify that, I am going to use this meter. What is this? This is a multimeter. This is a substitute of ammeter and voltmeter. Using this we can measure voltage, we can measure current also, we can measure resistance also. Means this is going to work as voltmeter, ammeter and ohm meter also. If you want to know completely about this instrument, I am going to upload a complete video how to use this multimeter very soon. Next video will be on this multimeter only. You can watch our playlist. Now let us verify the resistance of this voltmeter and resistance of this ammeter. Okay, like this I'll keep. Right here we have to keep that. We have to keep here. This is voltmeter measurement. This is AC voltage measurement. This range is ammeter measurement, a current measurement. This range is the resistance measurement. Okay, so let us keep this one here. This I kept where? At 20k. You can see here I kept at 20k. This is the point. This is the pointer. I kept at 20k. Now positive to positive, negative to negative. See, 12.6 kilo ohms is the resistance of this voltmeter. 12.6 kilo ohms is the resistance of this voltmeter. Now let us keep these two terminals directly across the terminals of ammeter. See, 0.000. See, where did I keep the range? I kept the range at 20k. I'll change it to 200. Now it is showing reading 1.4, 1.3. So the resistance of ammeter is only 1.1 ohm. But whereas the resistance of voltmeter was about 12 kilo ohm. Okay. So by this we understood that the voltmeter has maximum resistance and the ammeter has the minimum resistance. To know about this multimeter how to use, I am going to upload the next video on multimeter only. You can watch it and learn and gain some practical knowledge. Thank you.